So back to it again, more welding. There's a few pinholes that I need to sort out, but it's getting there. As you can see on this side, it's this whole area really, but it's mainly here. It was actually full of filler, and it's actually been hit in, so it's been exposed when the job was done back in 2008. It's just shoved filler in it and hope for the best. That's what they've done. Some of this I'll be able to get away with just puddle welding, just to give a bit more thickness back to the material without actually heating the whole area up. I don't really want to cut anything out of this. The rest of the arch is in very good nick, even down to the bottom arch. Top corner's got a bit that's starting to go, but I will address that. But seems a shame to actually cut into this panel when it's not horrendously bad. But so grind some of the back out, expose some material, clean it up, and see just how bad it is from the back side. So it might have to let some pieces in, but there'll only be small pieces on this. It won't be a full letting like on the other side. So anyway, I am just talking about the other side. I've only just sprayed it roughly just to give it a coat so it doesn't go, so it doesn't corrode again. A bit more of a hole than what I thought there would be, and then there's a patch repair from the 2008 spray job. Go along to the other end. There's a second hole on the sill. They've not even repaired it, they've just filled it with fill.